guys, it's just coming too much. Hello my beautiful people, wherever you're watching me from. This is DJ KGL here in Kicukiro streets. Today I like to take you along another way we didn't check before. Look, Rwanda always has something to offer to the country, to the population. Now this is a new construction going on here, and it's really beautiful, it's really cool. So normally I gonna take another way which is different from than where I was used to show you. So let me show you. Today I like to go this way up here. Normally I used to show the view of this side. I'm gonna show you. I used to show you guys this street there, and today I take it this way because I like to show you from there. I used to show you going this way, and we can see if we can have something new to show to the people. This is the end of the year 2022. So I hope you're doing good. I hope everything is going well. That's why here, I don't know if you can see some decoration going on here in between of those two streets, and maybe I'm gonna have time to show you in the night Kicukiro district office. Yes, this is how it is. I hope you can see. Yes, so I like, maybe let me not pass by here now. Let me go, continue going, and really I like to see what's going on up there. What's really going on there. So keep subscribing wherever you are. Keep showing love, guys. Keep showing love. I was thinking at the end of this year the deal will be done, but it's not really easy story. It's a very big story, guys. So that's why everyone who working with YouTube, that's why he always like the support, sweet comment, because that sweet comment will make the video to go viral. If ever you watch the video, you can give it a like, easy and simple, then your support will be received. So if it is your first time, guys, watching me, you can give this chance to this guy who like so much adventures. So I do this for love, I do this for people. I like to show you the different places from Rwanda, from wherever I gonna be. So I hope you're gonna be with me to see my videos at the very first time. You need to make a subscription, turn on the bell, so that anytime at the very first minutes I upload the video, you're gonna be in one of the people who gonna watch the video in the first time. So let's continue. This side here, it's Kagarama, and this side there, it's at I think Gikondo, not Gikondo, still in Kicukiro. So there is no sleep to make Kigali a beautiful city ever. Look, now we are about 3 in afternoon, but people, they still keeping the city beautiful. So today it's on Sunday.
It is like that.
On Sunday today, people, they coming from churches, and me, I am coming from home, doing my video, my evening video, stretching my body, walking by foot. Yes. So let's see. Continue going up like this. This street goes to Bugesera, can take you also to Rwanda, Burundi and border. So to go in Burundi from Rwanda, you have 2 options. One, by passing the border from South Province. Either you can pass by this street, the side, eastern side. So this street also can take you at Burundi, and it is very near, about 2-3 hours you're gonna be at border. I think 3, it's more, maybe 2.5 you're gonna be there. This is Kicukiro, guys. This is the hustle I always telling you. The working hard, getting few. This is what we call hustle. Working hard, the job pays few money, and then eating bad, sleeping bad. Yeah, it's a hustle really. So this is how it looks on Sunday, guys. Beautiful day, and it's somehow sunny today. We didn't have rain. It's a rainy season, but today we didn't have some rain. So I keep going, guys. This way goes to Nyanza, Gahanga, Bugesera. Yes, if it is your first time to see, this is the way going to those places. Yeah. There is two guys. They watching me so much, like they don't know what the hell is going on here. They was still watching me like a TV. So guys, here there is where the people they stand waiting for the buses. So it's a very sad story to stand here waiting a bus about 20 minutes on this sun. It's the life. I still running Kicukiro, guys. I still walking. But is it really Rwanda, the green city in Africa or East Africa? In my videos, you can give some comment on how you see. All the time I making this video saying Kigali is green, Kigali is safe. Is it really like by what you seeing in my videos? Is it Rwanda? Is it Rwanda green? You can say something from the comment. Yes. So let's see. Let's go and spoil there. I'm gonna try to show you how this way going to Bugesera, how it looks. Okay, be there, guys. I am here, and kindly consider a very good subscription. You're gonna be cheering so much. So stay in touch, guys. You guys know where Loyal FM walked from? There. Kicukiro here. The way going to Nyanza. Guys, this is the fence of our school. You have seen inside there is some student. Today is Sunday. They have a free day, like a holiday. So tomorrow they have to start with studying. So I am about to be at Nyanza bus stop station, where people they catching up the bus to Bugesera. From here you can the street one started to go down and this one is up. Look at the view. I was doing video from over that village. I was there, you can check the video. It's beautiful. I was chilling with local guys from that village. Look. So I do these videos like a hobby, and I start having that good result that also can be a business hustle, a side business hustle, and I'm thinking to do this as a full-time job. I know people they are supporting, but I still need some really, because now we are in 548 and to be monetized it is 1K. So I still have another half of this journey, but I hope and I know I will make it with you. So consider a subscribe if you are new, like, it's a very important, and turn on the bell notification to be the first to watch the video as every day as I post them. And from on my handles for new update, there is my Rio account on Instagram, DJKGL, and I have a page to the YouTube channel. Also, it is called hustleyangushowkgl. So keep supporting me, guys. Really, I need your support. So you're gonna pass by this here to go to the other side. So here I am. Look, that beautiful house. What was this? So guys, here I am. Look this. I don't know if you're gonna see. I am here, guys, at NYANZA bus station, and there is so many motorbike there waiting for people. People also here farming. You see, there is beans, maize. This is avocado tree. Oh. Look, guys, a nice view there. You can see Kichukiro Convention Center, and in the big town. Let me show you. Okay, guys, there it's Kichukiro there, Convention Center. You can see going there. It's in the town. You can see those big buildings there. It's in the town. So here you can see all around in the town, Remera Stadium, Kichukiro Airport. This is a good place where you can see all beautiful places. You can see there. I don't know if you can see Convention Center, and here there is another side of the city. Look there, those big buildings. In my previous video, you're gonna see this buildings. So now I am here going, still checking what's going on there on Sunday. This is a motor. Electric motor using the battery. There is no engine. So I like you guys to go inside. So this is a bus station. Look, bus stop station with buses going to Eastern Province at NYANZA here. So you get bus here when you go into Eastern Province, Nyamata, Bugesera, when you go into Burundi when you like to pass this way. So when you like to go those sides, you need to come here and get a bus. This is how it looks. Let's see. Here people, they can sit down, chilling, waiting buses, and they are over there. There is shops. There is some shops, but on Sunday I don't know if they walk. People here waiting buses. You see samurai waiting. So from there to that bridge to that street I used to show you. It's not a long journey to come here. Really. What is it? So the guy here, he thinking the guy I like to go. He has a business. You know, here when you going into those buses, you need to have a card. Let me see if I have that card on me. Wait. Look, this card here is called tap and go. So this card, you wrote the money from agents. Here there is some agents. You wrote the money, and then in the bus there is a machine there. You can tap and go. That's why the card is called the tap and go. So the business the guy has there, because some people they don't have these cards for some reason. I don't know what is that reasons, but the business there, like if you like to go and you don't have that card, he gonna tap that there for you. So he was asking me if I like to tap and go. So this is Nyanza. This is Nyanza place. Then we go to the another side. So from here, when you're going this way, you're going to the place called the Gahanga. So I like to check what's going on here. Look, very beautiful. I like to check on this place here, but guys, I feel so thirsty. I need to check on something to drink. I am very thirsty because of walking. So girls are taking pictures. Girls with pictures. It's Sunday. Okay, let me check where I can buy something to drink. I am so thirsty. I gonna check. This is there, Gahanga. That is that way, going to Bugesera. By the way, soon I like to go and do some video from from there. Bugesera. Yes. Here there is a local shop. I like to go and buy something. Oh, it is only the garage for the bike. I'm gonna see. Let me check up here. And then this was the shop for those guys reparating. What's up, bro? How are you? You are fine. So let me check here. I like to check it. There is a music. This is what I have, guys. Energy. I was buying this here. There is too. It is too loud with music, and you know YouTube and the music. It's not working together with the guy on this side, hustle side. So guys, I was very thirsty. This is what we call hustle. I am going by walking with no direction, and then oh my god, I feel like exhausted. I am not yet paid with this. But by the way, today I have seen a beautiful and sweet comment, not on the channel but in my inbox from my WhatsApp number. Someone was asking, hey bro, I have seen the video, one beautiful place, and she was like, she liked to go there because she have seen that the place is beautiful, and she actually liked to visit. And then at the same moment, another person was texting to me, appreciating so much, saying, bro, I didn't before know the purpose of your videos, but now I come to understand what is your purpose. I like now to tell those people that I have seen your comment. I really appreciate. So thank you so much. Let's go. Let's keep going. Now I finish that drink I have bought. So let's see what's going on there. I like to see Let's see. I like to see what's going on there. Yes, what is there, guys?